Welcome back. So this is day 2. We didn't do much for the day. It's 2:04. We literally just went to the gym, got some breakfast, came back, watched the next game. Yes sir. So right now we are about to go to Topgolf. Everybody's getting ready. I'm already dressed because I've been dressed and ready since since we came back from the gym. But no, you just got ready.
I'm ready.
No, she just got ready. But I guess ready is ready.
Hello, good day, people. Good day.
Looking like a thief.
Because the weather causing me to stay naked.
Yeah, it's warm out here. I think it's like 75 today. Today's the coolest it'll be.
Yeah, it's still warm.
And it's still warm. Wednesday and Thursday gonna be in the 90s. I think one of those days we go to the Salt River.
So right now we are currently at Mello's Pizzeria and Italian Kitchen. Clearly we've never been here before, but we're gonna see what they have. Let's get right to it.
Alright y'all, so just finished eating. And the food was actually really good. It was really good. You enjoyed your food? What you had?
I had margarita pizza, Caesar salad, and some chicken fried grilled baked wings.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what you rate it?
I would rate that 7.5, 8.
8? Yeah, it was good. It was good, guys. As you can see, the name of the restaurant is in the background. If you are interested, I will put a link to it in the description of the video. But right now, we're about to hop in the car and head over to Topgolf. So we'll see. We in a dad car, y'all. We in a minivan, but what is it? Sport. It's a sport minivan, y'all.
Yeah, so that means he's been speeding.
I have not been speeding because if you know, you can't go over 100 miles per hour. So I have not been speeding. But it do got some kick on it. I'm not gonna lie to you. What's some shots? Oh.
Right now, we just arrived at Topgolf, and we're gonna play some games. Let's see who's gonna be the top winner. Top golfer. Who's gonna be the top player? We didn't make reservations, so let's hope that we even get to play today.
I picked to go this one over the one at Chandler because the one at Chandler was closer to Civilization. This one is a bit further, so hopefully it's not as crowded.
I mean, we'll see. There's a lot of people leaving right now, so hopefully we'll get to get a bay and play. Yeah. And listen, there's some professionals here because this guy got their own
sticks. Clubs? That's what it's called?
We're amateurs compared to them. So, we'll see.
Wait, is this Grandpa's first time playing golf?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Grandpa's first time playing, so this should be very interesting because, you know, he watches a lot of sports, and he just called himself Tiger Woods Jr. So, let's see how that would play out. That's why I hope we get a spot because we got to see this game. All right, guys, so we're here, and wow, it's time to play. So we're going to set it up for you guys to see as we each go, and then this is going to be so funny, okay? Because we're all very competitive, and why not? We all want to win. So let's see how this goes because this is going to be very entertaining.
Hi, my name is Debbie, and I'm going to win Topgolf because I'm the queen of Topgolf in this family.
Hi, my name is Trisha, and I'm going to win Topgolf because I'm the best.
All right, ready? Okay, I'm Siobhan, and I'm going to win Topgolf because why not? I'm the best, not her.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Raylyn, and I'm gonna win Topgolf because Tiger Woods is my cousin. Okay.
Hey, my name is Cletus. I'm here. I'm gonna win the top golf because I am the most experienced player.
My name Chastenson, and I'm gonna win Top Golf because I'm the driver, and if I don't, no one goes home.
We all could drive though. We all could drive though. Don't look like a winner to me.
This is very competitive, guys.
It's a winner, baby.
How do you feel about that shot?
Wonderful. Let's see, what's the score? 8. 8, baby. 8.
Okay.
Airball. Airball.
Let's make sure I get it good.
And you give yourself room.
Nice shot.
Watch your foot.
As a disclaimer, guys, we are amateurs. We are not professionals. We are not planning to be professionals. We are all amateurs.
I'm disappointed. No practice. Before I came, I rusty.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hey, third time's a charm. All right, so I'm not a professional, but I have high hopes. You about to throw yourself or the ball? I feel like I'm knocking somebody's head off.
Yeah, think about somebody and give me that one shot. Good job. Yes.
We shot it.
Try this.
Any first words?
Watch and learn.
Oh, wow.
That's some cold first words. I ain't gonna lie. I'll put that in my yearbook.
You imagine I forgot to click record this whole time.
She wasn't lying. Any words for the leader?
I don't like that my daughter take first place and I'm third place. Game on. This is the game face right here.
Do you have any words for?
I do not. She could try her best.
Okay. We got some competition, y'all. We got some competition.
Game is on.
Y'all, the competition is intense today. It is intense today. She is not playing. She's so competitive. That woman is so competitive.
60 points, baby. Yes. Game on. Yes. I can't let the children be the adult.
How about this? Winner don't have to pay for gelato. Winner don't have to pay for gelato.
You're not catching my dance.
I'm not paying anyway. Winner don't have to pay for gelato. Okay.
Y'all, this is a tight game. Nice shot.
Tiger Woods now.
Tiger Woods is my cousin.
I'm gonna change the type now.
You got your left club?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have your back raised. Oh, over the yellow.
Wait. Oh my God. Oh, it's not short.
Oh, so close.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I've been conned.
Y'all, I did bad that round, but it's good though.
Come on, Shelby. Good one. Yes. Oh, good job.
Good answer. Good answer.
Hamstring.
Are you okay? I missed it.
No, it's on Travis. Oh, my uterus. I don't know what I pulled right here.
Oh shoot, that one is also
Oh my God. Let's subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more funny stuff like that.
Come on. Come on, Shelby.
Oh, nice.
Good job.
Oh, it's great.
We saw an injury happen on the play. How you doing?
Oh my God, that hurts so bad. That hurts so bad. Like,
This one long enough.
Hey, yo.
This one long.
That's okay. Go to the end.
Will you take that one? Long.
Hold it tight and slap the crap out of it.
Take up. Shelby, you want
You make a lot. That's the most of a lot for the week.
Take up on somebody.
Good job. Woo! Good job. Yes. Good job.
told you I was the best.
That's what it's
Good job. Wait. That means I really don't good. Because look at Chevron is struggling and she's
Okay, Trisha.
there. No. Thing really bad with me, man. Really good.
No, I hurt myself for real.
Yeah?
That hurt. She hurt
So
my
Oh, your ambulance?
Okay.
I'm wishing bad luck on you. Not that you hurt yourself, but that you get all blunders.
My competition is on. Let's see how that will go.
Not my competition.
Mommy, move back.
Trisha shouldn't be playing. She do golf every week.
Too close.
Come on, Trishi. Let's see this. Good job. Good job. Good.
No, don't do that.
Where you go?
It's about to go to. It's looking to go to blue. Bouncing, rolling. Not gonna go. Good job.
It did.
You went in the blue? Okay.
Good job. Oh no.
Damn.
Trisha is 76 here.
Yeah. That's okay.
No.
Check.
So if I win round 2, we have round 3.
No, we have different draws.
This is the final score.
Longest drive.
I came 4th place.
You're starting on 12 as Siobhan, and you're playing great.
This is the final score.
Longest drive, 10.
All right.
Why, didn't I say I was the greatest? I mean, come on, I did say it.
But look at me again.
How does that make you feel, man?
No comment.
All them time.
Hi, I'm normal. How does it make me feel? I told them I was the greatest. Nobody believed me, and I had to show them.
I still don't believe
That's
her.
it.
Y'all, she played golf
With her
after
job.
work.
Yes.
It's not a fair match.
Come
but
on
you know
now.
what? Next time, now that I know that there's real competition,
How does it make you feel to
I won second to last. I'm happy. I did better than the last game. I put more effort into it, and yeah.
Your uterus is still intact, so that's great.
did y'all have a good time?
Yeah.
Wonderful time. Yes.
Who was the winner?
Trisha.
Loser.
Team Trisha.
Loser.
Next time we're gonna play in groups.
Loser. Well,
Yeah, we could.
we have to decide teams for
For
the battle show game room.
Me, Chevron, and Trisha.
That's y'all team?
Yeah.
Battle show game room. So you, Eddie, and Trisha.
Yeah. Why are you smiling? Because you feel you want to meet us?
No? We have to decide on teams for the battle show game room.
You have to decide.
Teams. Your wife said her, Toshiba, and Eddie.
So against me and you?
Me, you, and Renisha.
Oh, so we have to listen on teams.
So the games is like what you normally watch. Price is Right, Wheel of Fortune, stuff like that.
Family Feud and thing,
So it's a mixture of all of those put together. Now I don't know what the questions will be this time because I did it last time I went for my work retreat. That's what we played.
So who prepared the question?
They have a whole host and everything.
What, your whole sentence?
Hey, I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys.
Okay. So I'm anxious.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you excited for the Battle Show game room?
Yes, I like those kind of things. We actually, as a family, watch. What is the show? With Steve Harvey.
Family Feud.
We watch Family Feud a lot. So yes.
Yes.
Are you excited for the Battle Show game room?
I am very excited for the Battle Show game room because I think my team is going to win. Because we're just that great.
We have to think of a team name.
All right, I got it.
We have to come up with a team name, and they have to come up with a team name.
That's the same one with the medieval.
When is
class?
what's tomorrow?
I'm gonna book it for Tuesday.
Tuesday.
What is your team name? You guys have to decide on that collectively.
Yes.
Ray, you on my team.
What's the name of your team, sir?
We don't talk to
we'll have a team
we
name
don't
by
talk to the
Tuesday.
opposition.
We'll have a team name by Tuesday.
Yeah.
We'll have a team name by Tuesday.
Yeah.
What's going on?
We don't talk to the opposition, y'all.
Okay. We'll have a team name by Tuesday. We'll be ready, sir. We'll be ready.
Okay.
Yes. We'll be ready.
Well, we will not be letting out no cat in bag now, so
So will we. So will we.
we'll not be saying anything.
We'll have a team
We'll just
name,
wait on the day.
And when the time comes,
Yeah, we wait on the day.
yes.
Yes. We're not
Let
giving you all.
the games begin.
The competition is real, you guys.
Yes.
Yeah, we're not be
Let
giving
the
you all
games-
any hint to go home and study.
Yeah, you guys are not getting no homework on us.
Yes.
No, let the games begin when the time comes.
Great.